Hey guys, Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach, and today I'm standing beside our newest trade-in, this Veranda 22-foot tri-toon boat. Just a few special things that this boat has that other pontoons don't is this one features an all aluminum deck, so you don't have to worry about any wood throughout the structure, which makes this thing solid and overall an awesome ride. Step forward towards the transom of the boat. Just kind of noticing quick, trailer's in great shape, along with the tunes and the size of the boat. And this boat is powered with a Yamaha 250 show, giving this boat incredible top end and low end torque. Let's hop inside and take a few look at the inside and the features. Hey guys, now we're on the bow of his Veranda. Just a few things here on the port and starboard sides is our storage under the seat, which is typical for most all pontoon boats, as well as your tables in here. And you should notice you have a mount here for your table as well in the stern, which I'll show you in just a little bit. Close this up. Walk here to midship of the boat. As I come back here towards the helm, you have extra storage here. Spin around, camera's here. Storage here and your trash can access here under the helm. Notice where this is on a raised platform. Just gives that captain kind of a raised feel over the boat for visibility. You have your semi-electronics, infinity stereo. It does have a 10-inch sub in the boat, as well as some other cool features with your wireless phone charger over there. It's a nice enclosed feeling in the boat. Come here to the aft end of the boat. You'll notice our sport tower here with our 2 tower speakers and our bimini that will close this off and give you plenty of shade throughout the day. Coming towards the back, same storage here on the port starboard sides with the seats lift up for your beach towels, whatever you need for the day, and your tow bar. Like I said again, guys, my name is Ben Finley here at MarineMax in Panama City Beach. Give us a call today to come look at this Veranda pontoon boat.